I feel like I'm out of town right now. I really feel like I'm out of town right now. I'm on this Chromebook trying to deliver y'all, quality content. It's just been tough. I'm just hope computer can hurry up and get done. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. We have to do a market update. So in today's video, we'll be talking about Shiba Inu, a little bit of FUD that's out there, what to expect from J Powell, and a few new narratives and meme coins to kind of keep an eye on. So if you like videos like this, make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithm. I do apologize yesterday for not being able to play the CZ part of the video so we can actually get his perspective. I thought that actually had played out, but of course this program has been so annoying to use. So again, bear with me. I can understand you guys' concerns. All right, help spread this with awareness. I'm at the point where I'm just like, I'm just gonna purchase a whole new computer. I hate to do it because I love to DC and continue to invest in my portfolio, but part of my lifestyle is having my desktop here. So you guys, I appreciate everybody that's been bearing with me and continuing to watch the content. Couldn't do it without you. All right. So as the cryptocurrency space continues to go through this, I want to say storm, the quiet before the storm, the boring parts, the accumulation. But it's important to notice, family, that taking advantage of these flash crashes and these crashes can really put us in perspective of where we're working to go. In fact, Bitcoin was able to cross under the 200-day moving average here, which is a very, very important moving average throughout the entire cryptocurrency space. And to be honest, I think um our um our emergency code red, what I would call it, our code red, would be around 17.2. So technically, as long as we're above 17.2, technically we're still bullish, and we can still see this Gaussian channel on the weekly turn green here. You can see the momentum has fell off as the stock RSI trends to the downside, family, and also the volume has been very, very low inside crypto. The liquidity has been very, very low inside crypto. What technically a lot of people would look at that as bearish, but it also can be looked at as bullish, because when liquidity does fly into cryptocurrency, you can expect, family, you can expect the price to go up a lot more faster than if we seen mass liquidity and mass trading inside the cryptocurrency. So it's always a pro and con to low volume and low liquidity. We've been fighting the Binance FUD here, and a lot of people are kind of like trying to figure out who this entity has been that's been stocking up Bitcoin in the midst of the Binance FUD. We'll actually get into a little portion of the Binance FUD before we talk about BlackRock. You can see here a lot of people are banking here on the Binance collapse. Crypto Rover says if Binance collapse, Bitcoin will likely fall to 12K. Can you imagine where our favorite altcoins would be if Bitcoin fell to 12,000? And tell me in the comments, what would you personally do if Bitcoin fell to 12,000? How would you react, and what cryptocurrency projects would you buy? The cryptocurrency project that gets the most attention, I will consider doing a full review. But we do got to take into consideration that BlackRock could possibly be the entity that buying up this crypto dip here. Of course, it's over the counter. Sunny Decree here says there seems to be some misunderstanding about the potential of the BlackRock Bitcoin spot ETF. If BlackRock believes that their ETF will be approved, they would need to accumulate Bitcoin before the launch. This would be a fully regulated spot ETF, not a synthetic one. A spot ETF implies that shared issue must be backed one by real Bitcoin. So if they put trillions of dollars into the cryptocurrency space, that has to be backed one by one with Bitcoin. You can see an insane rise if we get some type of spot ETF. Therefore, it's very likely that BlackRock is already accumulating, especially at these prices. For those wondering why the Bitcoin price isn't reflecting this, it's because they aren't merely clicking the buy button on Coinbase. They're purchasing OTC to avoid slippage. And a lot of people have tracked the wallet, and they're saying that it's a Gemini wallet that could likely here be partnered with BlackRock. But back on the Binance FUD here, we talked about CZ, excuse me, my nose itching, y'all. We talked about CZ Binance and how he wasn't offering collateral or loans out there. But then there's news coming out that Binance has been taking loans, putting out their loans, and now they're selling Bitcoin in order to back BNB, because a lot of people feel like if BNB fails or breaks the 206 level, it could be extremely bearish for the entire cryptocurrency. So, CZ been fighting. CZ been fighting this FUD for a long time. Moving on to Shibarium, family. So Shiba Inu users base hits 10 million milestone alongside Shibarium public restart. Shib's price anticipates to climb to 401. A lot of people have been hard on the Shibarium release because they're like, man, it's been 2 years. Y'all had 2 years to get this together, and y'all weren't unprepared. And I kind of agree with Rodney's point of view. Like, if you know that Shibarium Shiba Inu could be a hit, literally a hit, why are you invested into a $50 subscription for these to run your network? You should be invested into the top notch subscription, because a lot of people engage with the community. I mean, with the Shiba Inu ecosystem. So the community engagement overwhelmed the network, right? And the network had to be paused. Now, on the flip side and the positive side of this, that's actually a good problem. A good problem is that people want to use Shibarium. We know people want to use Shibarium. We know once people use Shibarium, once the developers start developing apps, start developing cryptocurrency projects, meme coins, we'll see insane burn for the Shiba Inu token. And we'll also see insane use case and utility for the Bone token. So there's still money to be made here with the Shiba Inu token, the Bone token, and all the many cryptocurrencies that will be spawned and minted through the Shibarium ecosystem. They just need to get the ball rolling, and put themselves out there, put a product out there that can actually be used. We can talk about Shibarium all day, but if it's paused and not being used and people have their funds trapped, then what are we really talking about, right? So on the flip side, I want to see Shibarium win. I want to see this W across the board for the meme coins. As I stated before, I'm totally rooting for Shibarium and Shiba Inu, and I want to see this because this could be a W for meme coins across the board. A meme coin able to have its own chain is insane. We're actually starting to see the hype from these layer twos. One of the narratives I think we need to start paying attention to, narratives and also memes to watch. Well, one of them that's popping right now is SocialFi. A lot of people are talking about the new friend.tech, and you're starting to see NBA players involved, FaZe Clan. You're seeing celebrities get involved with Friend.Tech, and I think SocialFi is a huge narrative headed into the new bull cycle. Now, what is SocialFi? SocialFi is the ability to monetize yourself, making me into our own currency. Isn't that insane that we could possibly tokenize ourselves and make ourselves into our own currency? And I think that's exactly where the world is going to. In fact, I talked to a gypsy a few months. You guys might have seen the video, and he said the last step to cryptocurrency is everybody being able to have their own currency. So whatever your value is, that could possibly be your currency. And you're starting to see these influencers migrate over here to friend.tech and tokenize their ability to influences. And I'm seeing influencers make 4 ETH in a couple of days, and just imagine, these NBA players and everybody, if you're enthusiast like myself, crypto enthusiast, even a big name, somebody that's very, very popular, you could tokenize yourself, right? And people will buy shares of you. So truly a decentralized platform. I think SocialFi will be huge. It's good to see a lot of these celebrities starting to migrate over here to friend.tech. And the only thing that I don't like about friend.tech is it's been giving me issues with actually logging in. So every time I try to log in, it says my Twitter is already logged in, and it sends me into an infinite loop where I'm not able to access friend.tech. Now, I thought it was a problem where you could only do it on your desktop, but then I went to desktop and said you had to do it on your phone. So if anybody's having the same issues with friend.tech, let me know in the comments. Let's talk about it, go over it. And if you were able to overcome that aspect and able to log in, please let me know what you did, because I've been trying to start me a friend.tech account for a few days, and I just been in an infinite loop with my Twitter already being logged in. Hopefully nobody used my Twitter to actually log in. A few meme coins to watch that's actually been on the radar here is Harry Potter Obama. So the XRP, we got is this the XRP version? I mean, they all have the same name. It's just so weird. XRP is the ticker, and then we have one ticker that's Bitcoin. So keep an eye on these. They're going through a correction. I mean, these if you go here to the actually let's go back up top here to all charts. I mean, both of these charts, it seems like they only have been going up. Look at this. This is the ticker XRP, Harry Potter Obama Pac-Man 8 Inu, whatever. Whatever. I mean, it's such a tongue twister. But charts has been going up. A lot of influencers covering this project. Pretty decent tokenomics, as you can see here, sitting at 75 cents. And it's been a very, very popular project on crypto Twitter. Also, pay attention to the ERC20 version of Harry Potter Obama Inu, which ticker is Bitcoin. And again, it's going through a small correction. But you can see here, family, if we go to the all charts, this thing has just been going straight up. So 2 meme coins to actually pay attention to. Keep on your watch list as they go through the correction, because you can possibly find a good entry point. And these projects are pretty popular. They're, I would call, influencer projects, and you're starting to see a lot of influencers spread the word across crypto, Twitter, and other platforms. But that's the news for today, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about the cryptocurrency market. What are you buying? Are you buying the dip? Do you think cryptocurrency could go lower? I think we're going lower. And be prepared for Friday with Jay Powell speaking on the Jackson Hole. Let me know in the comments what you think about Jay Powell and what he could possibly say. Will he be hawkish? Will he be dovish? Y'all let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, go crazy, engage with the video. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.